So this is the DevOps demo. Okay, thanks for joining. Like whoever watching this video on YouTube, please like this video so that we will going to continue this DevOps. And one more thing, I have started training right from lockdown, that is on 2022. Okay, sorry, 2020. Sorry for that. From 2020 to 24. Now 25 will be entered. Now you can treat it as a 5 years. So I have total 5 years of experience in teaching, and coming to software, I have 6+ years experience. Okay, I started my career okay as a Linux admin. For the first year I worked as a Linux admin. Okay, from second year I've got a chance to work on DevOps because DevOps engineers will handle Linux servers itself. They will use some automation tools. What is this DevOps? You will learn. You no need to worry about it. Okay, like that, I have total 6 to 7 years of experience as a DevOps engineer. Right now, I am working in one of the MNC company, which is located in Hyderabad. And right now, it's a work from home. So that's the reason I am working from home. Due to that reason, I am taking daily 1 hour of time apart from my job, so that I am not started with to earn money. If I want to earn money, right, I got a multiple offers from institutes which are running right in Amirpet. They have given me the opportunity because obviously I'm uploading the videos on YouTube. Definitely they have seen that videos and they directly called me and they have offered me in lakhs daily to just take one session. So this teaching is my passion. Okay, I don't want to go right to earn money. So I don't want that because if I go there, definitely they will keep the targets. So if you like something, you need to do as you want. You should not do for some others. Okay. And coming to tools, right? I don't want to waste. Okay. I've done my introduction. Okay. We will start from Git. Then after we will go to Jenkins. Once Jenkins is completed, we will go to Terraform. Once Terraform is completed, we will go to Ansible. Okay, everything whatever you are doing, everything will be done in the AWS cloud itself. So don't worry, AWS part will be also covered. Not at right high level. Whatever required, I will try to cover. Okay, apart from that, I will recommend you to right go through some AWS. Don't worry, I will be there for you. And Docker, Kubernetes, and I am planning at least 10 projects on DevOps, which covers every tool. Okay, and this is the class calendar. Everything was right mentioned clearly. Okay, from 9th December to 18th December, we will complete Git. Okay, Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes. Whatever I've shown in this diagram, everything is mentioned. Class timing will be morning 7 a.m. IST to Indian Standard Time, that is Indian time. So if you are joining from other countries, I hope if this time will be feasible for you. So 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST, from morning 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. IST daily from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday you will be having holiday. That is for me, not for you. Okay, if I'm discussing some Git, you need to practice it. Utilize this Saturday and Sunday to practice. Okay, if you don't practice, please don't join. If you need to have a laptop to practice, and I will recommend you to create an account in AWS. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create an account in AWS today itself. So you know how to create a Facebook account, you know how to create an Instagram account, you know how to create a WhatsApp account. So AWS account is also like that. So go and create an AWS account. It will ask for debit or credit card. You give it, and create an account. It will take 1 hour 24 hours to activate. And one more thing, until now, right, I didn't given any names for my batches, because in my sessions hardly there will be 3 to 4 people and it will be totally interactive session. So that's the reason I didn't kept any batches. But from now, from 2025 onwards, I just want to follow some, just for my identification. Okay, so that's the reason I given a name called as Devops batch 1. So until now I have trained nearly 60 to 70 people. Okay, I didn't given any batch names and all, so I don't know like how many batches I have completed until now, so I don't have any clarity. So that's the reason for my purpose. Okay, so I'm starting a naming convention from this. So Devops batch 1. Okay, and you will be come under the batch 1 student. So like that, once in the February we will complete, right? So from after February whoever joins, so it will be comes under batch 2. Okay, we will be having a private WhatsApp group. I will be add you into that WhatsApp group once you have enrolled. Okay, and you can call me anytime. Okay, in WhatsApp if you're facing any issues. Okay, we can connect virtually and we can resolve your problem. And you need to attend mock interviews as well. Like for suppose now we are discussing Git for suppose from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday we will be having a time. So what I will do, I will schedule at least 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, a call anytime Saturday and Sunday in your comfortable time, so that I will ask some questions whichever we have discussed in the Git, so that you will get to know how much you get. Okay, simply practicing you will not get. You need to attend the interview, attend the mock, you need to explain that, then only your concepts will be feed to your brain. It will be entered into the brain permanently. Okay, simply practice is not important. Okay, simply launching product is not important. Marketing is also important, right? So in the same way, you need to market yourself. So before discussing anything, right, you need to know what is the software development life cycle. Okay, how software industry will work. So I will fastly complete this. I will not waste your time as well. Don't worry on that. Okay, software development life cycle. If you go to 25 years back, right, they used to follow some method to work on any project. So project is nothing but, like for suppose I have a mango business. Okay, I sell mangoes in market. Okay, now I want to sell same mangoes in online. Okay, if I want to sell online, I need a application. Okay, app, or you can call it as a website as well. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to a company who will design the website. Okay, so he will be a client for this company. Okay, for them it's a project. Website is a project. Okay, whenever they get a project, what they will do, they will gather requirement gathering, nothing but what is the requirement of this person. They first gather the requirement, then after they will analyze. Okay, he is running a mango business, so he want a website. Okay, they will analyze and they will design some, right, dummy, right, they will just design like how, like for suppose if there is a land. Okay, you will go to the, right, what you the architect, what he will do, he will design, right, this will be the hall, this will be the room, like that. They will also design the application overview. Okay, once the design is completed, they will start implementing, nothing but they will start coding, nothing but they will write the code for the home page. right? Then after they will, what are the homepage I've designed, I need to test or not. Like for suppose if you have a WhatsApp, what you will do, you will text hi to anyone. So if it is sending, then it is successful. Same like if you are designing this application, it is working or not, you need to test or not. Then after they will install on some server. So deployment is nothing but they will install it on some server after testing. This process is called as a waterfall model, okay, which is maintained in 25 years back, and there is some drawback. Okay, now they have gathered the requirement, they have they done the analysis, they have done the design as well. Now Mango seller got one idea and he want to implement some more things. Now he will come to this guy and tell, hey, I want this one as well. Okay, enable a WhatsApp message as well in my application. Then company will tell, as per our contract, it's not possible. So because they have gone the stage, okay, they come to the design stage, they cannot go back. That is a drawback. If they if they that is the reason they call as waterfall. What waterfall? If water comes down, will it go up again? No. So that's the reason they are given a waterfall. Once they have gone to this stage, they will not go back again. That's the principle they have kept. Okay, again they need to complete all this, then after they will go. And this, for this also they will take years, 1 year or 2 years. Okay, like that they will take time and it is waste of. Now right now market is too much fast, so this method will not work out. Now I will go to next slide. I will compare with real life example. Just imagine I have a land. Okay, what I will I want to construct this apartment like this. What I will do, I will go to the builder and I will tell, hey, I want to construct a 4-floor apartment. Okay, this is my requirement. I will tell, he will tell, okay, give me 1 year of time, I will complete your total building. So if he is following a waterfall model, okay, what he will do, he will complete the building and he will give it to me. Okay, in between he will not allow me to, okay, he will not allow me to see that whatever the construction he has done. So he will give the complete building after 1 year. So for suppose if I don't like anything, right, once it is completed, there is, right, whatever invested, it will be wasted. If suppose there might be like hall will be like very less size, so it depends. Okay, so that's the drawback of this waterfall. So there will be no client interaction, no client involvement. Then after agile came into this picture. So in the agile, what they will do, if I compare with real life example, they will first construct the, okay, first floor or the ground floor. Okay, they will call, okay, if you compare with Mango seller, hey Mango seller, come, this is your home page. Okay, this is your first floor, this is your room, this is your hall. If it is okay, tell me. If not, I will remodify it or I will apply in the second floor. So like that, one of the advantage in agile, nothing but principle is changed, the way of work is changed. That's the reason the name also changed. In waterfall, what they are doing, they are just working on the things, but there is no feedback, okay, from the customer. Nothing but a client, not customer, it's client who will give the project. So in the waterfall model, what they will do, they will design, develop, test and deploy. That's it. You will get the only final output. But in agile, they will maintain some sprints. So what is sprints? They will work for 2 weeks. Whatever developed for 2 weeks, right, whatever they have developed for 2 weeks, they will call to client, nothing but mango seller, and they will show, hey, this is your home page, okay, this is your add to cart page, is it okay, let me know. If it is not okay, in the next 2 weeks we will work on modification. Like that, they will divide the work into multiple different parts. Like that they will work, and accordingly they will take the feedback. Here the customer satisfaction will be, sorry, client satisfaction will be high. So that's the reason nowadays companies are following this agile principles. Okay, agile principle is nothing but client interaction. Waterfall, this is. Okay, now you got it right. How companies will get a project, what are the principles they will follow. Okay, if you know this, then only you will get to know. If even if you enter the company, right, if you heard term called as sprint, agile, you will not confuse. So in the sprint also, in agile also, there is some principles. Okay, how our old people will kept some principles, right? So same like that, companies also kept some principles. One of the principle is scrum. So in the scrum, what it will be there, there is a product owner, okay, and there is a team, there is a product backlog. So backlog nothing but whatever the mango seller want to build the website, everything will be present, all information, add to cart, payment, okay, everything will be present. Then after, with team, this product owner, okay, he will conduct a sprint planning meeting. So in this meeting, for the next 2 weeks, right, 2 weeks, what we are going to work, team will discuss. Okay, whatever the 2 weeks work, only the 2 weeks related content will be kept in this sprint backlog. Okay, so and every 24 hours there is a scrum master will be there. You can treat this as a manager as well. So today what I have worked, okay, tomorrow what I am going to work, simple review meeting will be there daily. Okay, after 2 weeks, right, work will be finished, then after there will be sprint review and retrospective meeting. So for movie also there is a movie review or not. In the same way, for 2 weeks whatever you have worked, there is some review. If there is any drawbacks, if there is any issues, if you are missing something, okay, that will be continued in the next sprint, and this will continuously go ahead. Okay, every 2 weeks there is a sprint, they will work again another next week. Like that they will work, complete the project. Even if it is 1 year, right, it's okay, you will work for 2 weeks, you will develop some things. Like that, again client will become, and he will see, at the end he will be also happy. Even if it is 1 year, it's okay, you are involving the client, right, you are showing something, you have showing something that you have developed something. Then he will doesn't care about 1 year or 2 year or 3 year, right, he just want an output, you are giving that. So like that companies will work, like that they will get a projects. So this is what they will follow. So that's the agile. Okay, now what is this DevOps? What is the difference between this agile and DevOps? So we need to understand, yes or no? So until now I hope you got it. So how companies will get a project, how what are they follow, but why this DevOps came into this picture, we need to know. That we will know. Okay, in next 10 minutes you can ask any doubts. So which application do you use for booking bus ticket? So obviously you will travel, yes or no? And which application you will use for booking a movie ticket? Obviously, right, every movie you will go and book and you will watch it, right? So majority people will you choose Redbus and BookMyShow. Okay, why only Redbus and BookMyShow? So they were released first to the market. So BookMyShow is the first thing which came online for movie ticket booking. So that's the reason Book My Show also still ruling the market. Okay, whoever comes first, okay, they will be having a priority. Okay, whoever comes first to the market, they will have priority. Okay, so that's the reason Book My Show still surviving in the market. So the application responsible for delivering application quickly to the market, should they rewarded well or not? So obviously yes, they need to reward well because they are releasing application fast to the market. So the job description of DevOps engineer is to create pipeline to deliver application faster to the market. So what is the description of ours? So we need to deliver the application faster to the market. So how we will deliver? By creating a pipeline. So what is this pipeline? We will learn. So as part of pipeline, we will use this many tools. Okay, Jira, Git, Docker, AWS, Ansible, Kubernetes, Jenkins, JUnit, Selenium, Maven. So all these things we will we will use. So what is this? You will get to know. Don't worry. Yes, you will slowly learn. Then after, what is this pipeline? I will show you. So for the first time, right, it will be a little bit confusing to you. Don't worry. Watch the recording one more time. You will slowly understand. So in the day one, right, you will not get it. So even right, newborn child on the day one, they will not start walking. It will take some time. Okay. You also on the day one, by seeing this, don't get demotivated. Okay. These concepts will slowly, right, you need to consume. So he is a developer which he is sitting and he will write the code. Okay, and he will keep that code in the version control system. Okay, then we will build and package the code. We will done the testings. Okay, and what are the packages available? This is called as a pipeline. So you can treat this as a train as well. Okay, train has different boxes. If you combine all boxes together, it is called as a train, right? In the same way, if you combine all this, it is called as pipeline, right? These are the pipes and the line. That's the reason it is pipeline. So this total complete boxes will called as continuous deployment. Okay, what is this continuous deployment? You will learn, okay, during Jenkins sections. Don't worry. Okay, this is a continuous delivery. Until this box, it is a continuous delivery. Total, if you automate it, it is a continuous deployment. If you automate it until year, that is within your company, within your organization, it is a continuous delivery. But it is not released to the market. Your feature is ready to release. And one more thing, this two boxes is called as a continuous integration. All these things we will learn as part of Jenkins. Don't worry. Okay, developer will write the code, he will push the code. So in the CI server, nothing but in Jenkins, we will build and test, and we will give the feedback to the developer. This process will happen continuously. That is the reason it is called as continuous integration. What is this continuous integration? You will learn. Don't worry. Okay, for version control system, we will be using Git. For building and packaging, we will use Maven. For if it is .NET, we will use MS Build. Okay, to create the servers, right? Do you have already servers where I can deploy? Yes, if you have a server, you will use configuration management tool called as Ansible to deploy. So what is this Ansible? You will learn, don't worry. If there is no server, using Terraform, you will create a server. How to create a server? What is this server? What is the name server? You will learn. So as a version control system, we will use Git. For build tool, we will use Maven. If it is right, .NET, we will use MS Build. Right, we will create this environment or setup or boxes using Terraform. Okay, once the server is available, right, we will use Ansible to deploy it. Okay, Chef as well. Ansible and Chef are from two different companies, which is a configuration management tool. Nowadays, market is looking for Ansible. And one more thing, nowadays companies are looking for Docker and Kubernetes. What is this Docker? What is this Kubernetes? I don't want to discuss right now. Okay, once we enter into this Docker and Kubernetes, then I will explain you, then only you will understand. Okay, so like that's the reason I kept here. If you see, if I will show you again. Okay, I will start from Git, which is basic. Okay, it will be easy to understand. Then after we will slowly go to Jenkins. Here we will learn what is CI/CD and all. Okay, then after we will go to Terraform. Here we will know how to create a server using Terraform. Okay, server is ready. Using Ansible, we will install required softwares. Okay, and everything will be done on the AWS cloud. Then after, which is one of the complicated concept, Docker and Kubernetes, we will learn that. Once it is done, we will implement a real-time projects and monitoring as well, which comes under Prometheus and Grafana. How to monitor this everything we will going to discuss. And this is the class calendar. I will share you. You just save, right, or take a printout so that you will get an idea when we will going to start, when we will going to complete. Okay, now if you want to ask any doubt, go ahead and you can ask me doubt. And as I said, you need to create an account in AWS. If you don't have an account, please go and create an account. So definitely go ahead and ask any doubt. I will go to the naukri.com. Okay, I will search for DevOps engineer. Okay, search. I don't want to choose experience and location. Okay, how many work from home office is there? 3000. Hybrid model 218. Remote nothing but work from home 162. So there are nearly 3000 job postings are there. As this is November and December, right? During this time there will be less opening because we will get projects from where? From US. So they will be under holiday right now. So that's the reason they will not conduct any interviews. That's the reason they will not do any job posting. So that's the reason you will not get any calls. So Capgemini. Okay. So Oracle want 4 to 9 years candidate and location will be Hyderabad and Bangalore. Opening is 1 and 20 to 35 lakhs they are going to offer. So I told you, right, experience in continuous integration, continuous service principles. Okay. Okay, Jenkins, right? CI/CD best practices. Okay. And Oracle, then after HCL. Just see the tags which have they have used. Jenkins, AWS DevOps, Docker, right? CI/CD, Terraform, Kubernetes. Yes, whatever I'm discussing, everything is available or not. Docker, Kubernetes. So Agile development, right? Which we are following the Agile itself. So if you enrolled, if you learn perfectly, you will be eligible for applying this job. Okay, if you are perfect, you will easily crack the interview. So whatever the market expecting, you need to learn. So CI/CD pipelines, Kubernetes, Docker, AWS. Ansible or Terraform. Okay, whatever market needed, you need to upskill on that. You apply it, crack a job. Capgemini, Terraform, right? Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Git. Okay, experience in Agile development methodologies. Agile, enabling team delivery through technology. Agile is nothing but a ticketing tool. So, which is Jira? Jira is a ticketing tool. Okay. So, from Monday, that is tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m., we will start from Git. Okay, you know what is DevOps? Okay, as a DevOps engineer, we will develop a pipeline. So, if you ask me what is this DevOps definition, sorry, I will just search for. I know what is DevOps definition, but I just want to show you. So, what is this DevOps? DevOps is a combination of practices, tools, and culture philosophies that integrate software development and IT operations. So, DevOps team use practices to automate manual tasks such as testing, building releases, and provisioning development environment. Okay. So, what is a DevOps engineer? He is the responsible person to release the application faster to the market. Okay, who is responsible for the releasing application faster to the market? If you come fast, you will rule the market. If you are ruling the market, right, you will business owner will start earning money. If the client is happy, automatically company will also will get a huge projects and huge revenues. Okay, so do you have any doubts? Now it is 10:45. As I told you, right, I will not involve you to talk. Now it's 10:45. You feel free to ask. So everything, right, content is ready. So that's the reason I know how much time it will take, right, to teach, because I have experience on that. So you can blindly trust me. I know what I need to teach, at which time it will complete, how much is necessary to get a job. If I don't know, if I don't have clarity, right, then how I will going to deliver the best content? So if you see, if I go here, right, Git content is ready. Okay, Jenkins content is ready. Kubernetes content is ready. Right, everything with PPTs, right, with design, everything was ready. I just need to deliver to you. And one more thing, whoever watching this video, like this video, okay, and if you want to enroll, definitely call me in WhatsApp. From tomorrow you can join the live classes. And one more thing, I'm upskilling my laptop as well. Okay, right now I'm using this laptop. Definitely I will upgrade the laptop so that I can able to do the multitasking as fast as we can. At the end, customer need to satisfied. Now you will be a customer for me. If you satisfied, you will recommend me others. You, right, that's the reason I will upgrade my tools as well. If I don't upgrade, right, you will not get that worthy product. Okay, I can easily, right, manage on this laptop, but no, at the end customer satisfaction is very important. So that's the reason I will upgrade my laptop. So Once you have enrolled, right, you will get next level projects. Okay, and you will not get any disturbance and all. You will get a crystal clear audio and crystal clear, right? If the laptop is upgraded, obviously now the audio was better, great. I'm not telling our now the audio is not great. So if I upgrade, definitely there will be little bit improvement. So for that I need your support. If you enroll, right, definitely I can able to upgrade. If you don't enroll, because now batch is completed, old batch is gone, now a new batch is starting. If you are joining, then definitely I will going to upgrade. Then you will get a next level content in the new laptop with the new implementation. So do you have any doubts? You can ask, feel free to ask.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Sir, I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Sir, is it necessary to learn scripting language like shell scripting or Python scripting?
Yes, it's needed, because like for suppose now I'm working on this, right? I will create a server, nothing but an EC2 instance. What is the server? We will learn, don't worry. Right? If there are 10 servers, right? Okay, in the 10 servers, if I want to implement something automatically, then at the time what I will do, I will use a script.
Okay.
So shell scripting is required, because Linux, we will use Linux. So if you are using Linux servers, combination of commands is a script. Yes or no? Linux commands is a script. So rather than, right, copying and pasting one command, if you combine all commands into a single file, if you do it, it will save our time or not. So your time is important. Time is money.
Will you teach or will we have to study on our own?
I will not going to teach, but I will upload some videos if you want in my freely in my YouTube channel. You can go and watch it. Okay, if you want some shell scripting automation real time projects on only shell scripting, definitely I will try to upload at least 10 to 15. Okay,
Okay,
because
sure.
we need to focus on DevOps. Market is expecting DevOps. Shell scripting is added. Okay, it is not a, nowadays it is mandatory. Okay, shell scripting is just a basic for them.
Yes.
By default, everyone should know. That's the thing market is expecting. DevOps, obviously you need to learn,
Yes, sir.
but no need to worry. Okay, if you see
Okay.
our YouTube channel, I will try to add Linux tutorials. Okay, Linux tutorial. So this is our DevOps YouTube channel, and recently we got a join button as well. So if you want to support, definitely you can utilize this join button to support our channel, so that I will upload more videos. Okay, now I will create one playlist. Okay, and I will start from basic. What is Linux? Okay, then after slowly we will go into shell scripting. But for that, I am just still preparing content. Okay, once the content is ready, then only I can start uploading the videos on Linux. At least every video will be 15 to 20 minutes. Every video I'm planning for 15 to 20 minutes, and I will daily upload one video on Linux. And once Linux is completed, shell scripting. So that simultaneously right? Once you enroll, you can follow the Git classes. If you have more time, follow the Linux classes and practice.
Sure, sir.
And it's a good question. Thanks, Praveen, for asking. So if you have any doubt, right, definitely ask and clear. Now Praveen asked me regarding cell scripting. He got clarity. So if you have something in your mind, feel free to ask. Get it cleared. Because once you enroll, right, you should not get disappointed. This is the class where you need to ask whatever you required. Praveen has a doubt of cell scripting. Will cover or not? I will told that I'm going to upload some videos. Yes, you can unmute yourself. You can talk. CL John.
Hello,
Yes, go ahead.
sir. This is Kalyan.
Yes.
Sir, you provide offline classes also, sir.
Before lockdown, right, we used to maintain the institutes. Okay, once the right COVID comes, the institute is not running. It's totally online right now.
Okay.
So yeah,
And
everyone
in this,
learning online and they are cracking jobs as well. Virtual will be very comfortable compared to offline. Okay, in the virtual, I can directly share you my screen and I can show directly.
okay,
But if it is physical, right, you will sit behind me and you cannot able to watch right the display clearly. In
okay,
virtual, directly I'm sharing my screen. Right, it
okay,
will be very comfortable and very clear. Even and it will be help you to work in real time.
okay,
Okay, if you are get a job, if you work in a company, how you will communicate with client? Virtually itself via online. He will sit
okay,
in some other countries. If you
okay,
get habituated to this virtual, right, then definitely you will easily manage in the company as well.
okay, 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 sir.
Yeah, in my as I mentioned in my session, there will be hardly 3 to 4 people will be there. So you will be having comfortability. So if you
Sir,
go offline, they
only one time per day, only one time class, no?
yes, daily 1 hour,
Daily 1 hour, early morning.
yearly
Other
morning
time is
one
not
hour.
possible, sir.
No, as I said, from 9 to 6, it will be my
Okay,
working hours.
okay,
So apart from my job, right, as a passion, I started and I've taking 1 hour of time.
okay.
Yeah,
Sir, small doubt. I will lost my two days classes. How to get back
yeah.
for this classes?
For every class, right, you will get a recordings.
Okay,
Now this is also getting recorded.
okay,
Okay, demo sessions will be directly available publicly, but the
okay,
live classes which we will discuss, it will be provided to the enrolled people privately. If you missed
okay,
the class, definitely you can watch that recording and you can, if you have any doubts, you can ping me in WhatsApp. We can connect again. You can create an invite link in right how I have created the invite link. Share it to me. I will join. There you can ask me any doubt. You can share your screen and you can ask me and I will going to guide you. If you don't ask, I will not get it. Some people will join, okay, they will not ask anything. Course will complete it, right? Whatever
okay,
you have invested, everything
okay,
will be spoiled. So you need to ask, you need to clear your doubts, then only will crack a job.
okay, sir.
Yeah, hi Abhishek. You will get the recording, no need to worry. If you have any doubts, you can ask Abhishek.
No, sir, I have no doubt.
Okay, no issues.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Rajat.
Yeah, so in the interviews, can I expect questions on the scripting also, sir, along with the tools what you're learning?
Yeah, definitely. They will ask, do you know cell scripting? What you have done in cell scripting? That
Mm.
thing I will provide one GitHub repo for you. You just
Okay.
practice that and tell, yes, I know cell scripting. Using this cell scripting, I've done this. Okay, can you able to
Okay.
write that? He will ask. Already I will
Mhm.
provide you the script, right? Blindly, you write it. That's it.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
And definitely, this time I will try to upload tutorials from 2025. Definitely, I will upload on Linux and shell scripting.
Okay.
So that Linux and shell scripting part also will be covered. Yeah, Jay, go ahead. You can ask.
Hi, Pawan. Uh, as of now, I'm good at configuration management tool like Ansible, but nowadays people asking about Terraform or and CloudFormation. We need get any in CloudFormation. Are you saying like Terraform is more than enough?
Yeah, Terraform is more than enough because Terraform supports multiple clouds. Okay, if you know Terraform, definitely you will work on multiple clouds. So coming to CloudFormation, okay, if company using CloudFormation, if they are only using one cloud, right, definitely they
Yes.
will go ahead with CloudFormation templates.
Yes.
Yeah,
CloudFormation only supporting AWS cloud, right?
yes,
Compared to Terraform, Terraform more advantages.
yes.
In your codes, how much we get in Terraform knowledge? Is it is fully or
Yeah, total like how to create a total environment using Terraform, whether it may be development environment, whether it may be testing environment.
okay?
That part you will learn, and you can add that in your resume as well.
We are able to answer all the questions regarding that.
Yes, you will able to answer when you attend mock interviews. I
Okay.
cannot give you a guarantee that yes, you will speak it out. No, it's totally depend upon you. I will deliver the content if it is not reachable to you, right? It,
Yes.
so how it will be reached? You need to practice. You need to attend mock. You need to deliver whatever I've given to you. You need to give it back to me. Then only you can crack. If you
Okay.
cannot able to speak, right? If you cannot able to answer the question, definitely it is not my mistake.
Okay. Got it. I have 50% knowledge about the tools. Can I attend these sessions or else I can go for demos?
So 50% will not help you. Definitely you need to attend these sessions.
Okay. Okay. I'm already working in. Okay, I will follow these sessions.
Yeah. So if you have enrolled for Project It, you will not get this
Okay.
because in the market there are multiple people are there and who are right. There is too much competition. In order to beat this competition, you need to be an expert.
Yeah,
You
I'm
should
clear.
not have a self doubt that I know this only 50%.
I'm clearing L1 interviews, but I'm when coming to L2, they are asking real time scenarios and real time questions. I will not able to answer those questions.
Okay. Yeah, once you work on that tool, right, then you will get like for suppose using Ansible. Okay, I have developed a script to automate the manual task whichever done by development team. So they use it to execute commands, Linux commands on multiple servers.
Yes, they are
They
asking to write the code for YAML to automate the process. That is
yeah, using shell scripting, right, we can able to do it, but there is some drawback on shell scripting. What is this the drawback? That will be we will explain when we start Ansible.
okay.
Yeah. So coming to this amount, I already revealed that like how much I will charge Abhishek. I already you know about it, the amount which I'm going to charge for this DevOps. So if anyone have anything, you can ask.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
I don't know, sir. How much, sir, amount? How much amount? How many days this course?